Lesson 3.3, Understanding Incentives. The warm-up should be completed before watching this lesson. You may pause the recording now and check your answers with mine, or you may reference the answer key that's online to ensure that you have the correct answers. I'm going to begin at the bottom of the first page, Assessing Incentives. Search through flyers or other advertisements and list the most common incentives that retailers tend to use. Now, before I list some incentives, I just wanted to review the term incentives that we learned previously. Incentives are anything a seller does to make purchasing an item seem more appealing to the customer. I'm going to list 4 incentives: sales and discounts, save the tax, buy one, get one, which is also known as BOGO, and receiving a gift card with a purchase over a certain amount. Retailers may offer incentives that do not involve taking a fraction or percent off the current price. Last lesson, we learned how a very popular incentive is a sale or a discount, meaning that there is a certain amount or a certain percentage off the original price. So the customer is paying less. But there are incentives that don't involve reducing the price of an item. That means that the incentive does not involve price adjustments. This lesson, we're going to look at examples of retailers providing incentives to their customers without reducing the price of their items. On the next page, question 2, a department store uses 2 different incentives in their makeup department. One brand of mascara sells for 25% off the regular price of $15.99. Another brand is offering a buy one, get one free incentive on the purchase of a $19.99 mascara. So brand A is reducing their price, about 25% off. $15.99 can be rounded to $16. 1/4 of $16, well, 1/4 is 25%. Which is 16 times 0.25, which is equal to 4. So 1/4 of $16 is $4. So then the sale price of the mascara for brand A is 16 minus 4, $12. Whereas brand B, their incentive is not reducing the regular price of their item. They're doing a BOGO, buy one, get one free. So $19.99 is the price of their mascara. That can be rounded to $20. This buys 2 mascaras because remember, it's buy one at $20 and then you get another one free. So really you're getting 2 mascaras for $20, which means that each mascara is about $10. So if you take your $20 and you divide it by 2, right? Because it's $20 for 2 mascaras. So if you divide 20 by 2 mascaras, that is $10 for each mascara. Estimate the actual after-tax cost Now remember, after tax, is your HST, your tax, 13%. So let's read this again. Estimate the actual after-tax cost of each of the two mascara purchasing options. Okay, so brand A, we said was $12 approximately. So I'm going to multiply that by our tax, or HST, at 13%. So the mascara for brand A is approximately $13.56 after tax. And then brand B, it's $20 times 1.13. That is $22.60. Which option, in your opinion, is the better deal? Explain your answer. So for brand B, you're getting two mascaras. So it's hard to compare the price of one mascara to the price of two mascaras. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at what is the price for just one mascara for each brand. So the price of one mascara from brand A is $13.56. The cost of one mascara for brand B is, well, $22.60 divided by 2, which is $11.30 for one mascara after tax. So now I'm going to compare $13.56 for one mascara and $11.30 for one mascara. It is cheaper to buy the brand B mascara because for one mascara, it costs less than for one mascara for brand A. Is there a right answer to the mascara purchasing decision? No. If you go with brand A, you're spending less, right? Because for one mascara, it's $13.56, underlined in purple. Although you're only getting one mascara, you may only need one mascara. So you're going to be spending less than if you purchase brand B, you get two mascaras for $22.60. So there's pros and cons for both incentives. Question 3. A clothing store is using a buy 3, get 1 free promotion to clear stock of summer t-shirts. So you're paying for 3 t-shirts, but you're getting 4. The 4th one will be free. The regular price of one t-shirt is $14.79. So the after-tax cost, I would take my $14.79 and multiply it by 1.13. So after tax, one t-shirt at regular cost is $16.71. What is the after-tax cost of 4 t-shirts? Now remember, you're paying for only 3. So I'm going to take my $16.71 and I'm going to multiply it by 3 and not 4, because the 4th one is free. So that's $50.13. So paying $50.13 for 4 t-shirts, how much is that for one t-shirt? I'm going to take my $50.13 and I'm going to divide it by how many t-shirts I'm getting. I'm getting 4 t-shirts. So that's $12.53 per shirt. Next page. List advantages and disadvantages for a shopper buying for these shirts. The advantages, you're getting 4 t-shirts, but you're only paying for 3. The disadvantage is that you actually have to buy 3 shirts in order to get a 4th one free. So in total, you're getting 4 t-shirts, and you may not necessarily need 4 t-shirts. So in reality, you're actually going to spend more. Going back to this page, we calculated that it's $50.13 for the 4 t-shirts. Whereas if you just bought one, you'd be spending significantly less amount of money. So do you need 4 t-shirts? And you actually will be spending more than you would if you just bought one, even though you're getting 1 t-shirt for free. What are the advantages of buying a buy 3, get 1 free incentive to the retailer? In part A, we outlined the advantage for the customer. Now in part B, it's asking what are the advantages for the retailer? Well, when they have a promotion, they're more likely to sell their items. These retailers are making room in their store for their fall and winter inventory at the end of the summer season by clearing out all the t-shirt inventory. Remember, these retailers, they've purchased their items to then sell to the customer. So if they don't sell all of their inventory, they've lost some money, right? Whatever items they still have in stock, they have lost money on those items. So they want to clear everything out. They want to sell everything. Another advantage for having an incentive is to get more customers into their store. If a customer knows that they're having a buy 3, get 1 free promotion, they're more likely to come in to their store. And once they're in the store, they'll look around. Maybe they'll even purchase other items that are not on promotion. And so the store will actually make more money on that customer. Gas station A sells gasoline at today's price. Another gas station, Z, sells gas for 1.5 cents per liter more than station A. Station Z also gives 2% of the total sale in discount coupons that can be used to buy car-related items. Tax is included in the price of gas. What is the cost of 1 liter of gas today? Today it's $1.23 for 1 liter. So we know that for gas station A, it's $1.23 per liter. For gas station Z, we need to add 1.5 cents to gas station A's price. To do that, I'm going to convert the cents into dollars because everything needs to be in the same units for us to complete this question. So I'm taking my 1.5 cents and I'm dividing it by 100 cents because there's 100 cents in $1. And that is equal to $0.015. So 1.5 cents is the same as saying $0.015. So now that everything's in dollars, I can add my converted dollar amount for gas station Z and add it onto the price for gas station A. $1.23 plus 0.015 is equal to $1.25 approximately. Okay, so the gas per liter at station A is $1.23, and the gas per liter at station Z is approximately $1.25. If you drive a car with a 55-liter gas tank, calculate the cost to fill your empty tank at each station. Round your answer to the nearest cent. So for station A, it's $1.23 per liter, and I'm going to multiply that by 55 liters. So it would cost $67.65 to fill up a 55-liter tank of gas. Station Z, I'm going to take my $1.25 per liter and multiply it by 55 liters. So it would cost $68.47 to fill up the tank at station Z. Calculate the value of the discount coupons that station Z would give you for a purchase of 55 liters of gas. So 2% of spending $68.47 on your 55 liters of gas. So 2% in decimal form. Of in math means times 68.47, which is equal to $1.36. So 2% coupon would actually be $1.36. Question 6. State an advantage of shopping at station A. Well, in station A, the gas is cheaper, so you're saving money. State an advantage of shopping at station Z. Although you're going to be spending more per liter at station Z, you're going to be receiving coupons that you can put towards your next gas fill up or any other car related purchase. Tires sell at station Z for $89 each plus tax. How many full tanks of gasoline would you need to purchase to earn 2 free tires? Use your answer from 5C in your calculation. First, we need to calculate the cost of 2 tires. So one is $89, and I'm going to add tax to that. So one tire after tax is $100.57. And I'm going to multiply that by 2 to determine the price of 2 tires. That's a $201.14. Now we need to determine the number of full tanks of gas to get to $201.14. I'm going to take my $201.14, which is the cost of 2 tires, and I'm going to divide it by how much I would get for 1 coupon, which is $1.36. We found that in the previous question that a full 55-liter tank of gas would give me a $1.36 coupon for my next purchase. So when you divide that, you get 148 approximately. So that 148 is the number of fill-ups you need to purchase at station Z in order to pay for your 2 free tires. In question 8, do you think that discount coupons are a good incentive? Well, 148 Phillips is a lot of gas. So you need to pay 148 Phillips worth of gas in order to get these tires. So it's just you're spending a lot of money at this gas station in order to get these 2 free tires. So personally, I don't think it's a good discount. At the bottom, there is the check your understanding questions that you are to complete independently. Right after watching this lesson, you may pause the video at this time and reference my answers with yours, or you may check your answers with the answer key that's posted online. Message me if you have any questions.